But not the 11th?
You're very behind on your Merry Fishmas Advent calendar, Stephen.
Why did I do the 12th but not the 11th?
I don't know. We must have skipped number 11. Open it.
I did 10.
Number 11's right here. Ooh, what is it?
A little fish lure. I already have this one, I think.
Nice. Okay, number 13. We're really behind. Today's the 20th. Ooh, that one's colorful. Cute. Right there.
Right, oh, there's a little hook at the 13 is a little perch lure.
13? Oh my gosh, her nose.
It is.
Oh, that's nice.
Little plastic crayfish.
Number 16. We're also behind on our David's tea.
Oh, another little, I think it's a plastic frog.
Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
It's just a little guy. Another little spoon for the perch.
18. Where's 18? Right here. Ooh, double.
Yeah, there's two.
I like the cover too.
Oh,
how
a little
it's
shrimp.
Oh, that's cool. What can you use that for?
Maybe whitefish? I don't know.
Number 19. Oh my gosh, we're really behind.
19.
I like how they get more
plastics.
decorative. Can I see? Oh.
What else I get down?
20. Oh my gosh.
I forget what they're called.
It's cool looking.
Mm-hmm.
Hi guys, welcome back to Vlogmas. Today should be day number 22. We just had a bit of a snack. Actually, I have to go make a snack for us to go because we are heading into a small little vintage Christmas market about an hour away. So I'm gonna go dust off the car and get ready. But I also wanted to show you guys this sweater. It's so cute. It says Merry Swiftmas. I just finished also recording a workout. And then the back of it says we can leave the Christmas lights up till January, which you guys know is from a Taylor Swift song from Lover. But anyways, I'm gonna get changed because I don't wanna wear these leggings because it is a little bit chilly. It's snowing. And like I said, we're going to a Christmas market. I was gonna shower, but then I was like, you know what? I don't wanna have wet hair when I'm walking around the Christmas market and get a cold. So I'm going to shower when I get back, just put a hat on. It's gonna be a hat wearing day, but let's get ready to go. I'm so excited. It is the best way to kick off the holidays. Last night was the last day of classes in person. I do teach tomorrow morning online and I taught this morning a little bit, but that's pretty much it. It's almost the holidays, so let's get ready to go. I also have not made the bed today, so let's do that quickly first. I'm not gonna make it fully because we might get back late tonight, and it's kind of nice to get home and the bed's like already turned down for you, you know? So I'll just do that. Okay, time to open number 20 right here. They're so cold from being outside. Another vendor. Look at what's on Steven's For You page. Like what? How is that even Canada, secondly?
I don't know. This one doesn't make sense. There's better ones.
We're building part of that every season. We have an incredible team here. Drapers, Cutter, and Nutcracker.
Since 1954, the New York City Ballet has honored the legacy of this production from George Bellin.
240 tea bags.
English breakfast tea.
Okay, show them what you got me. Can you back up a little bit?
I could have put your name on it.
Can you back up a little bit so I can get a full picture?
I think it's even long enough for you.
Should I try it on?
Yeah.
I can wear it there. Wow.
It's the cleanest it'll ever be.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Just before I sit down on this dog hair couch.
With this one. Oh.
Oh, Elsa.
I hope it's long enough.
Might actually be too small because my feet don't fit in it. Oh, wait, no.
Oh, it's pretty cute though.
It is. What's the song? Na 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 na. What are those things called? Thingamabobs. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, December the 21st, and we went out for dinner last night after going out to a market, and I'm gonna have some leftovers. They were delicious. It was like this, it was almost like spanakopita, but like a big giant pastry stuffed with like spinach and cheese and stuff and rice and veggies. So I'm gonna have that for lunch. I think Steve's playing video games, and then I'm probably gonna do Pilates today because I'm like dressed. I have like my Popflex leggings and a cute set on. I just finished teaching for the last 3 hours and I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna have lunch first and then probably do some Pilates, might do it upstairs. And this morning, Luna, our lovely cat, decided to go not like in the sheets like she usually does. No, she decided to chew a hole into the mattress, into the box spring. We were playing that fun game this morning, like, where's Luna? We're walking around the house, Luna, Luna. She doesn't respond to Luna, so screaming out, poop, poop, poopy. She wasn't there. So that was fun. So I'm gonna have to deal with that today too. But anyways, let's have lunch. 21. Boom in. So Steven just went for a walk with Elsa, and I thought for when he comes back, I would make some tea and some cookies because I'm just so nice, as Belinda would say. But like I said, he went out for a walk and he was like, do you want to come? And I was like, what's the temperature? It's negative 20, guys. Negative 20, minus 20. So I opted to stay in and bake cookies, and then I will do a Pilates class after. It's already 4:13, and today about all I did was teach for 3 hours, and then I sat on the couch in my little mermaid tail for a while I ate lunch, and we watched the Friends special for the 30th anniversary. We also watched the Friends Armadillo episode, the Christmas Armadillo one. It was my favorite episode in the whole Friends series by far, at least top 10 for sure. But like I said, I'm gonna bake some cookies, make some tea, and then probably do a Pilates class. I'm doing a load of laundry because, like I mentioned before, Luna got into our box spring. Love that for us. We're cleaning the box spring because it's full of her hair. Apparently she's been doing this for a while. So yeah, I'm just washing it now just so it's a little bit more clean because she just keeps going in and out of it, apparently, because there's lots of cat fur on the inside of it. So I'm washing the box spring cover as well as some laundry, so I don't have to deal with it next week, because next week we will be celebrating Christmas and we won't want to do chores. So that's that. I got these Pillsbury Doughboy cookies from Costco, and they're so cute with the little snowman and the reindeer, so I'm gonna do these two, and then, like I said, sort the laundry and do a Pilates class. Let's see if I can do this. I honestly debated whether I wanted to do ballet class or not, and part of me was like, I should do ballet because I don't know the next time I'll do a ballet class since it's almost Christmas, currently Saturday before Christmas. But we just did a little gift opening. I opened up that mermaid tail you guys saw earlier, and Steven's working on some stuff in the basement, and I thought I would do some Pilates. Long story short, like I said, I was gonna do a ballet class, and I was like, you know what? I feel like pushing myself doing this 30-minute Pilates workout, mat Pilates with weights, intermediate, pretty good level for me. But like I always say, I need the area to be very cutesy and very motivating, but also zen, calm, and beautiful. So I'm going to light 2 candles. I've got the Christmas tree, I've got this light, and we're gonna turn off the big overhead light because nobody likes big overhead lights. It's just not moody. I haven't been able to sort out this big old lamp because it's connected to Google, and honestly, Google's not that smart. For being a smart home, she's not that smart. Yep. And it's such a pain to connect her, so I just gave up. Ta-da! So much more vibey. Okay.
Bend and our hand and exhale, round your spine and drop your
That was good. It definitely was not what I was expecting. I kind of hoped to do more leg stuff. Like I should have done a bar workout now in hindsight, but that was good. you know what? I really liked that. I really enjoyed that. It was funny because the beginning of the workout, I was like, oh, this is too easy. Like, I wish I picked a harder one. And then halfway through, I was like, wow, this is way too hard. So it was probably a good thing that the beginning felt easier, because in the middle, I didn't know if I'd make it through. But that was about 30 minutes. So I'm going to go shower, then get ready to make dinner. I think I'm gonna make pizzas tonight. Tonight is technically our Christmas Eve, since next week we'll be at our family's houses. We just like to do our own Christmas and like open up our gifts together. So I'll vlog that tomorrow morning. But other than that, we're probably just gonna have pizza and then watch a Christmas movie. And yeah, we already opened up our Christmas Eve presents, which was, like I mentioned, a bajillion times, but it's just so cute. I'm obsessed. So let's go shower and then make dinner.